Welcome back, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to Come and Stand Food and Travel. Today we're going to show you give you an update on where we're going next. We've just finished our house sit, haven't we, sweetie?
Yeah, we finished yesterday our house sit in Langford.
And we had the dogs Ella and Jay, which we already missed very much. I've just arrived from the Perth airport from work yesterday, and I was really tired. And today we're headed to Albany, and we're really looking forward to it. It's still summertime here in Australia, and it's going to be nice, cool weather down there.
Yeah.
Isn't it? So, but Albany's a nice rocky area. It's really got a nice, beautiful bay, and we're hoping to show you around the area. Maybe we'll get some good weather so we can take the boat out and maybe get some fish. Who knows? We might see a dolphin, and hopefully we can show you maybe a blowhole or something interesting in the area. See what the waters are like. Maybe a shark, who knows?
Yeah.
The sharks are going to be really big down there, sweetheart.
Really?
Yeah, they're much bigger than Shark Bay. I don't want to catch those big sharks.
Oh no.
We'll see what we'll see. I want to see a whale, but I don't think the whales are there at the moment. I think they're further south. But hopefully we can get some good footage for you. We're really looking forward to share it with you too.
Yeah.
And so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of them. And come in and travel with us.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye-bye. Yeah. And then struggle like, it's too heavy. No, you gotta pull it. Lift it up. No, not from there. Yeah, that'll do. Okay, that's good. Yeah. My horsey. You gonna climb? Hey, my wife with the Wool Wagon. The Wool Wagon. Look at the camera. Yeah. I thought you were going to pull the Wool Wagon, my love.